Most people know NotebookLM for its podcast style overviews or the audio overviews which it gives. But did you know it can create mind map, reports, presentations, quizzes, flashcards, and much more? As a program manager, I'm always looking for AI tools that save time and improve productivity. So today, I'm testing every major Notebook LM feature and sharing my honest verdict about it. Hi everyone, I'm Madhur. On this channel, I share AI tools, productivity hacks, program management insights, and practical solutions for busy professionals. What is NotebookLM? NotebookLM is a Google's AI-powered research and knowledge assistant. Unlike traditional AI tools that rely on general internet knowledge, NotebookLM works primarily on your uploaded sources. You can upload PDFs, Word docs, presentations, etc. NotebookLM then becomes an expert on those documents. Now, I am using a sample Oracle HCM Cloud Transformation project document. So I have added my documents over here, which includes the project charter, the steering committee meeting status, and the weekly program notes. Now, so now after uploading the documents, you can ask any related questions with respect to these documents. It has given a summary after uploading the documents. Post that the questions which I asked, right? This was the prompt given, but you can ask your questions as well. So it gives point by point what and all the goals and business drivers for this transformation. Similarly, you can talk about risks if you're identifying any risk, any scope creep, anything. Now, let's talk about the other features which it provides. The first is the audio. So with interest of time, I have already generated this audio. Now let's go. So you just click here and the audio gets generated somewhat below. You scroll down. Here is the audio which has got generated. So it's like listening to project updates while commuting, exercising, or driving. And what's impressive is that AI doesn't simply read the document, it actually discusses the content. Now, second amazing feature which I got, which I have not got in any other AI tool, is the mind map. So mind map, yes, it is very much required. So the one of the biggest challenge in any project is understanding dependencies and relationships. Now here the mind map becomes very useful. So again, for these three documents, this is the mind map generated. So I have generated two mind maps. Just review the risk mind map. So it is giving me execution risk, the open issues, KPI gaps, etc. And you can expand the notes further to get more details. You can also download it and use it in your documents, presentations, etc. So this is where NotebookLM becomes extremely powerful. Then comes the report. It can generate reports based on this, right? Consultants spend hours creating summaries. Project managers spend hours preparing steering committee updates. But this report, it can create executive summary, key findings, recommendations, etc. Then comes the slide deck. It will even create slides for you. Okay, so I've just created it. With interest of time, let me just open it. So this kind of slide it has created based on the project charter which I have given, and see how professional it looks. So you can just download it, change the layout, edit it based on, obviously you'll have to proofread it, and then you are ready. Then comes the flashcards. So it is not very much required from a project manager or program manager perspective, but yes, from students perspective, yes, it is required. So I'll just show you the flashcard it generated. So this is what the flashcard, you can see the answers, etc. Now next feature is the quizzes. Similar to flashcard, it gives quizzes. So here is the quiz for this particular these documents. This is actually more useful from the student perspective rather than from a busy professional perspective. Then comes the infographic. It can also create infographic for you. So I've just created one infographic based on these documents. So this is how it looks. So this feature is fantastic for presentations as well as for LinkedIn posts. So overall score, it's 9 on 10. Then it can also generate data studio if required, so that it gives the data. So this helps organize information in a structured format. So who should use NotebookLM? Program managers, project managers, consultants, business analysts, students, researchers, content creator. But it is not very ideal for professional graphic designers and all. So after testing every NotebookLM feature, my rating is 9 out of 10. If you're looking for some AI tools which can help you improve your productivity and learn faster, NotebookLM, yes. And my favorite feature is the mind maps and the slide deck which it has created. Hopefully, this particular video will help you in understanding how NotebookLM works. Thank you.